Receptacles installed on rooftops of commercial and industrial buildings in accordance with 210.8B3 in exception 1 to 3 and 4. That's what this illustration is outlining and showing. This is figure 10-43 that we're going to review. And then notice you see that the AC unit is on two different levels. And we must have a receptacle located within 25 foot of this unit. Now, sometimes the authority having jurisdiction will measure from the right side of that AC unit, and some will allow it to be from the inside, left-hand side of the unit. This is an authority having jurisdiction interpretation, which they have the authority to make. Now, if you are the electrician, just make sure that receptacle is located within 25 foot. It wouldn't matter if it's from the right or left-hand side where the measurement is taken. And the note 1 basically says, and this is important, if the unit on level 1 is located within 25 foot of the air conditioning unit on level 2, this outlet shall not be permitted to be used to service each unit in accordance with 210.63 that requires this outlet along with Article 440 of the NEC. So level 1 and level 2 would have to have this receptacle outlet. Note 2 says receptacle outlet has to be accessible from the roof area, not the grade level. You know, it's the roof area where the person performing a task, work task on the AC unit, they need to plug in there. They don't have to have extension cords and everything down from grade level, because naturally the receptacle wouldn't even be within 25 foot in many cases. So figure 10-43 shows our receptacles installed on rooftops of commercial and industrial buildings in accordance with 210.8B3, exception 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's what our illustration 10-43 is illustrating, the location of these receptacles, and naturally 210.8B, as in Boy 3, says they have to be GFCI protected even in these commercial and industrial locations.